In the routine security operation, police detained two Bangladeshi nationals from Baflang under the jurisdiction of Baijalbari police station under Korwal district of Tripura on Friday evening. The duo was apprehended at Naka checkpoint on the national highway connecting Kowai and Mohanpur. According to the police sources, an auto rickshaw carrying passengers was traveling towards Kowai via Baijalbari around evening hours. During a routine check, the officers on duty at the Naka point in Baflang, the vehicle was stopped. On questioning, the two passengers admitted that they were Bangladeshi nationals and were traveling to Mohanpur to Kowai. Following their admission, the police detained the two for further verification and interrogation at Baijalbari police station. The detainees have identified as Kokong Sarkar and Anik Sarkar. The police are currently investigating the route of entry into India and the purpose for their visit. Further legal action will be taken based on the outcome of the inquiry. This incident once again highlights the ongoing challenges faced by the border areas in preventing illegal infiltration.
Tini nakawa ani sub inspector Monojit Devarma tongani naka seeking khlaipuro auto gari kaisa TR06 3651 gari nakawa bathagriwi check khaipuro aro charai khorognoi o jesem tabuk tubnaya charai khorognoi no gari bisingo mangkha bumung rok sungka ke borok kisa gawrok doi bumung kaham ke chemalia para sungja puro ke borok kaham ke chemalia abur ke ani officer kaham ke no borno nokhari oi sungma pore borok saka kaisa ke khokon sarkar tai kaisa ke onik sarkar sing sawo kaisa to Silet district ni tai kaisa to Brahmanbaria district ni ke borok ne orok bek rok naifuro mobile lok mangkha tai Bangladesh ni rang 1000 borok ne rang mangkha ke jehetu borok saise malia ke jeng motamuti bono Bangladesh ni no romitu khata tabo thana auto bujak bad baki processing jeng sini je official procedure tongmani jeng auto khini khainai